Which of these dresses looks better finished? A or B? Of course, it's A, but why? If you've ever struggled with getting a clean professional finish on your sleeveless dresses like this, then you need to watch this video to the end. In this video, I will show you a super easy step-by-step method to fix neckline and armhole facings like a pro. No more messy edges, no more facings coming out. And if you'd like to see how I made this well-fitted dress using stretchy fabric, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll be the first to see the full video tutorial when I eventually upload it. So let's get started. Using your basic bodice pattern, the pattern you use to cut the bodice, the main dress, cut out the shoulder to bust point section for both the front and the back bodies, as you see me do here. I'm pinning the pattern to the fabric and then cutting out that part. You do the same for both the front and the back. Don't forget to add sewing allowances if you have not already done that on your pattern. Mark and add zip allowance to the back bodies. For stability, apply interfacing, that's ST, to the facing using a steam iron, like I'm doing here. Now to the sewing machine. First, we'll join the shoulder seams. Sew the front and back body pieces together at the shoulders. Do the same for the facing. Attach the facing to the neckline. Align the body's neckline with the facing neckline, leaving the zipper allowance. Sew, top stitch, and press well. I will do the pressing off camera. Don't forget to cut around this neckline seam allowance before top stitching. That allows the neck to relax well. Be sure that the bodice and the facing armhole are equal before sewing the armhole facing. Now let's sew the armhole facing. Match the shoulder line of the bodice with the facing at the shoulder seam. Sew along one side seam and armhole, then repeat for the other side. Press well. I'm demonstrating it a second time on the other armhole so that you get the process well. Let's close up the side seams. Align the seam where the bodice and the facing meet at the armhole. Sew the side seam straight down on both sides. Press open. Then top stitch the facing. Fold the facing over the bodice and match the seams. We top stitch to keep the facing from popping out. You can now attach the zipper. I've linked tutorials on how to sew an invisible zipper and how to work with zippers on stretchy fabrics in the description. And then our dress is ready. Give your dress a very good press and it should turn out as neat and professionally finished, just like this. If this video has been helpful to you, please share it with others. Like and hit the subscribe button for more useful sewing tips. And until I come your way next time, my name is Sarah and this is Princess Fashion.